In today's video, I'm going to show you how to delete your Telegram account permanently. Now, it's important to know that Telegram doesn't have a deactivate option like some other platforms. Instead, you can only delete your account entirely. This will remove all your messages, contacts, groups, and media from Telegram's servers. If you're sure you want to proceed, this tutorial will walk you through the entire process step by step. If this video helps, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. Alright, let's get started. First, open a browser on your device. You can use Chrome, Safari, or any browser you prefer. This process cannot be done from within the Telegram app itself, so you'll need to use a web browser. Once your browser is open, go to my.telegram.org/auths. This is Telegram's official account management website where you can control your account settings. When the page loads, you'll see a phone number field. Enter your phone number here, making sure to include your country code. For example, if you're in the United States, you'd start with +1, followed by your number. After entering your phone number, tap Next. Now here's something important to note. You'll receive a verification code, but it won't come via SMS. Instead, the code will be sent directly to the Telegram app on your device. Open the Telegram app and look for the code message. It should appear almost instantly. Once you have the code, go back to the browser and enter it on the website. After entering the code, you'll be logged into your Telegram account dashboard. From here, look for the option that says Delete Account and click on it. Telegram will now ask if you want to provide a reason for deleting your account. This step is optional. You can write a brief explanation if you'd like, or you can leave it blank and skip this step entirely. Next, you'll see a button that says Delete My Account. Click on it to proceed. Telegram will show you a final confirmation prompt to make absolutely sure you want to go through with this. The prompt will ask you to confirm by selecting Yes, delete my account. Click that option to finalize the deletion, and that's it. Your Telegram account is now permanently deleted. All your messages, groups, contacts, and media have been removed from Telegram servers. Keep in mind that this action is irreversible. So if you ever want to use Telegram again, you'll need to create a brand new account from scratch. If this video helped you delete your Telegram account, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button for more helpful tutorials.